In this tutorial, you will see that how you can automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook in just few steps. So let's dive in. So we are in Instagram. If we click on this plus icon and select story from here, so let's suppose I'll select this, and if I click on this white next icon, it will start showing here your story, close friends and message. If you open this, your story sharing options, it will open this share to Facebook but share only once. So now to share automatically, we have to enable one settings. So to enable it, click back and tap on these three lines on the right top side. You will find here this settings and privacy. Open it. Then you have to scroll down. You will find here this sharing and remixes. Open it. Now in sharing and remixes, if you scroll down, you will find here this see apps. If you open it, you will find here these two options of Facebook and WhatsApp. If you open this Facebook option, it will open this sharing across files. Now here you can see a tab of share from this Instagram account, share to this Facebook account. Now you can also change your Facebook account from here where you want to add story automatically. If you open this Facebook account that we attach here, it will start showing here our all pages and our profile. Now you can select here any of one. If you click back, then in the bottom side you will find here this automatically share. You have to on these toggles of Instagram story, or even you can on this Instagram posts if you want. So after turning this on, now you can automatically share Instagram stories or posts to Facebook in just few steps.